So guys, part 2 po. Magpupulbo lang po ako. Send lang muna po kayo. Dito na pala po yung pulbo. Guys.
SpongeBob thought Squidward had come down to play with them, but Squidward warned them to dig up the castle at once, but instead they piled sand into it. Squidward wanted to teach them a lesson. They ran away. Everywhere they went, houses collapsed. When Squidward caught up with them, an accident happened.
Next!
The bikini bottom was sunk into the earth. Now everyone
Sabihin mo kay Ate Teltel mo, i-chat ako sa kanya. Tita Dan! Nag-chat si Mama!
So guys, ang gagawin natin. Ipapabangta. So guys, ito po yung pusa namin. Ito po guys ang pusa namin. Tayo. Sinubo ko din. So guys, ayun po yung laruan. Ayun po yung laruan ko po. Ayun po yung laruan ko po. Ayan po. Oh, yung may box. Ayan po. Ayun lang guys. Comment po kayo for part 2. Bye.